Hello everyone, I'm Alexander Mackinano from BUSN604, and welcome to this presentation on sensitivity analysis and risk in capital budgeting. Today we'll explore the steps involved in conducting a sensitivity analysis and how to incorporate project risk into capital budgeting decisions. I will have the link shortly after this video. Introduction to sensitivity analysis. Sensitivity analysis is a technique used to measure how the variability in key input variables affects the performance of a business model. Its primary purpose is to identify which variables have the most significant impact on the outcome. By understanding these variables, businesses can make more informed decisions and better manage risks. Qualitative steps in sensitivity analysis. When conducting a sensitivity analysis, it's essential to take a systematic and qualitative approach to understand how changes in key variables affect the outcome. Begin by identifying the most crucial variables that drive results, considering factors that have the greatest impact on the model or decision. Next, define plausible scenarios that reflect potential changes in these variables, thinking about how they may unfold or interact. Then, analyze the impact of each scenario, evaluating how changes in key variables affect the outcome and identify any patterns or relationship that emerge. Finally, rank the variables based on relative importance and sensitivity, providing a clear understanding of which factors have the greatest influence on results. Quantitative steps. To quantitatively assess the sensitivity of a model or decision, follow a systematic approach. First, calculate the base case scenario using the initial input values, establishing a reference points for further analysis. Next, adjust one input variable at a time by a specific percentage, such as plus or minus 10%, to create a modified scenario. Then, recalculate the output for each adjusted input, carefully recording the changes. Finally, apply sensitivity formulas to measure the impact of each variable adjustment on the output, quantifying the degree of sensitivity. This may involve calculating metrics such as percentage change, elasticity, or regression coefficients. Tools and techniques. First, we have Excel data tables. These can be used to create data tables that automatically calculate the input of changes in variables. Next, tornado diagrams. These diagrams visually represent the sensitivity of different variables. And last, we have scenario analysis. This technique compares different sets of assumptions and their outcomes. These tools help in effectively conducting and visualizing sensitivity analysis. Incorporating risks into capital budgeting. 1. Identifying potential risks that could affect the project's cash flows. 2. Quantifying these risks using probability distributions and statistical methods. 3. Adjusting the discount rate or cash flows to account for the identified risks. Or 4. Using the adjusted figures to make informed capital budgeting decisions. In conclusion, sensitivity analysis and risk incorporation are crucial for making informed capital budgeting decisions. By understanding the impact of key variables and adjusting for risks, businesses can better manage uncertainties and make sound financial decisions. Thank you for listening. And here are my references: how to complete a sensitivity analysis and what is sensitivity analysis. Thank you.